This is the machine overview for the Universal Laser Systems here in the Electronics, Textiles, and 3D Printing Makerspace. Before you start the machine, please make sure that the exhaust fan is on. There's 2 green lights that'll light up here in the Makerspace. Before you begin your operation, please turn on the gas. This is the on-off button, and this is the e-stop. This is the laser focus tool. You'll be shown how to use this in the hands-on training. This is the home screen. To move down, just click down and click on the X, Y, and that'll move your X and Y. Moving the X left and right, and moving the Y is up and down. To lower and raise the machine bed, go down to the Z axis and click on it, and click down and it lowers the bed. And to raise the bed, just click the up button. Now that the machine's powered up, we're going to prepare for the laser cut. This machine can hold materials up to 40 inches wide and 24 inches long. Now that the laser is ready, you can go ahead and put your material on the bed. We are now going to prepare to level the bed and go ahead and grab the laser focus tool. To focus the laser, first you must put it on the material and raise the bed up and down till it fits in the slot. So you have to go down a little bit for this one and go back up. And that's about it. And you are all good to go. You'll get a better feel for this in the hands-on training section. You are now ready to use the laser to cut your materials. Go ahead and shut the door very softly. For the next step, you're going to go in the settings to optimize what material you're going to use. Be sure to know the material thickness that you're using, and please type it in this left corner. And then when everything looks said and done, please click the apply button and click OK. Now that your settings have been optimized, go ahead and click this green button to start your print. As soon as your file is finished, you can go ahead and open up the door, grab your material, shut the door, and turn off the machine. Before you leave, if you can go ahead and turn off the gas. That concludes the machine overview for the Universal Laser Systems.